let's get you now a ground report by Saurabh Vaktania when the lathi charge broke out there in Badlapur.
पुलिस ने अब यहाँ पर भारी लाठीचार्ज किया है बदलापुर रेलवे स्टेशन पर। आप तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से अब जो रेलवे ट्रैक है वो पूरी तरीके से साफ कराया गया है। 10 बजे से यहाँ पर लोग मौजूद थे लगातार प्रशासन की तरफ से, और साथ ही जो पुलिस ऑफिसर्स है उनके रिक्वेस्ट की गई थी कि वो रेलवे ट्रैक खाली करे, लेकिन बार बार आश्वासन देने के बाद भी, और आपको बता दें किस तरीके से लिखित में आश्वासन देने के बाद भी यहाँ पर लोगों ने नहीं सुना, और आखिरकार 10 बजे जो प्रोटेस्ट शुरू हुआ था वो अब 5:30 बजे के करीब है। यहाँ पर से अब लोगों को हटाया गया है, रेलवे ट्रैक पूरी तरीके से खाली कराया गया है। आप देखिए किस तरीके से पुलिस का चार्ज, यहाँ पर कुछ लोग यहाँ पर पथराव कर रहे हैं, बाहर से देखिए वहां से पथराव भी किए जा रहा है। यहाँ पर देखिए पुलिस के ऊपर लोगों का पथराव यहाँ पर, और जो पुलिस प्रशासन है उसके ऊपर अब जो लोग हैं वो पथराव कर रहे हैं। तस्वीरों में आप देखें कि पुलिस पर अब लोग पथराव कर रहे हैं, किस तरीके से यहाँ पर डंडे फेंके, और अब पुलिस रेलवे ट्रैक्स पर उतर रही है। आप देखिए पुलिस किस तरीके से चार्ज कर रही है यहाँ पर, ये देखिए किस तरीके से पुलिस अब चार्ज कर रही है और लोगों को यहाँ से खाली कराया जा रहा है। किस तरीके से देखिए पूरी,
ओ भाई साहब जरा आगे जाइए, आगे जाइए, आगे जाइए।
हाँ, अब देखिए पुलिस किस तरीके से हमको भी कह रहे हैं कि आगे जाइए, और गाड़ी जो बंद थी यहाँ पर किस तरीके से पुलिस हमें भी यहाँ पर कह रही है कि आप बाहर यहाँ से निकल जाइए, और पुलिस आप किस तरीके से लोगों पर ऊपर चार्ज कर रही है, और किस तरीके से पूरी तरीके से ये जो रेलवे ट्रैक है उसको खाली कराया जा रहा है।
I want to bring in Saurabh Vaktania for a live update as well. What's very, very clear right now is that there's a crackdown on the protesters to ensure that rail services are no longer disrupted. Saurabh, what's the situation there currently? I think Divyesh is also live with us right now.
So, well, let me tell you that the situation is still very much tense, and outside there are thousands of protesters who are still present, and we just saw that how the police official had charged on them. There in the visuals I would like to see that, I'd like to show the visuals over here that how people, the cops have nabbed the protesters. This was the railway track which was completely shut down, and since morning 10 a.m. there is no movement of the local trains over here. It's a very important railway line, and the railway tracks were completely occupied by the protesters. The only demand they were making is that the accused be punished immediately. Here in the visuals you can see this is one of the protesters who is nabbed by the police officials. There were several of the representatives from the Maharashtra state government and the officials who tried to calm the protesters. They also said they will give them in writing that the very strict action will be taken. They also said that in 2 to 3 days the charge sheet will be filed, the accused will be punished, but the protesters were not ready to accept. In fact, they also said that giving in writing won't help. They wanted that the accused should be brought over here and he should be hanged in front of everyone. If that cops can't do it, then the accused should be given to them and they will do the justice. This is what the demand was of the protesters, but now we have seen suddenly in 2 to 3 minutes the entire railway tracks and the Badlapur railway station is right now cleared by the police officials. And let me tell you, there was additional security forces, additional police forces which was called in by the police officials over here because protesters were not ready to move. A very important and a very busy railway line. Remember, this is the peak hour time, and in the morning since 10 a.m. this entire railway track was occupied by the protesters, and finally the police have managed to remove them. They had to do the lathi charge over here, and let me tell you, when they were doing the lathi charge, there was stone pelting as well. And here you can see still heavy police bandobast right now over here. They are over here and they are trying to safeguard this particular railway station to try and start the railway movement, railway traffic over here, because
Saurabh,
it's a very busy station. Like I said,
I'm just going to request you to stay with me as Saurabh tells you right now what's the situation on ground.